going to do a simple roof repair today. This roof was suffered some minor fire damage under the chimney, and so I have to remove the roofing and replace it with some new roofing material because the wood's been charred and weakened underneath. So I'll show you how to start by beginning at the upper row where I've placed my tools to begin the project. And I'll begin by separating the shingles from the upper row, and then I'll start taking the old shingles, existing shingles, out off of the roof from the row where the bucket's sitting on down around the fireplace, around the chimney, about 2 to 4 feet on each side. So I've brought 2 sheets of replacement wood, and then once the project is done, we'll re-roof it, and the new chimney will be in place, and the homeowner will have their wood stove back in working order. So I'll get started. It's fairly cold today, so as you can see, I've loosened these shingles, and then I'll just move to the next one. Now, there's a sort of a tarry substance that holds the shingles down and sort of seals them in place. And if I just work underneath them with a pry bar, I don't know if you can still see this, I need to pry up carefully and try to avoid damaging my keeper row. So now that I've removed or loosened the shingles around the section that I intend to replace, if I just scrape along carefully, avoid damaging the shingle edge in that upper row. Now I can go to the next row down. Let's see here. Yeah, that's probably far enough. Alright, so now I can really go at it here, because I don't really care about this row. It's just going to be garbage. I can get up underneath it and lift it out. Using my pry bar. A little muscle. I've got my first shingle out. And these shingles will be staggered, and they should be staggered at least 6 to 8 inches from each other, so that water channels down in between the joints of the shingles and onto the surface beneath, which is waterproof. So here's my edge, here's my next edge. So I'll take this one out. Have to be careful, because if I damage the shingle, it's just going to get thrown away anyway. So here's my next shingle, and now I can see my tar paper underneath, and I just keep going across until I get all the way down. Now there's some special treatment for the edges, because I'm not going to take these all off, so I'll cover that a little bit later. So for now, I'm going to go to work, and you can get yourself a cup of coffee or something and enjoy the rest of the production as I come back.